Now this project is ready to explain. First let us understand what is voice of verbs. The voice of verb is the verb that expresses whether the subject in the sentence has performed or received the action. Then types of voice of verbs. There are two types of voice in English grammar, active voice and passive voice. Active voice. A verb is in active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something. Then passive voice. What is passive voice? A verb is said to be passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Then examples of active and passive voice with tense. In present simple tense, active voice is Meena writes a letter. Passive voice, a letter is written by Meena. In present continuous, Meena is writing a letter. This is active voice. In passive voice, a letter is being written by Meena. In present perfect tense, Meena has written a letter. In passive voice, a letter has been written by Meena. Past simple tense, Meena wrote a letter. In passive voice, a letter was written by Meena. Past continuous, Meena was writing a letter. In passive voice, a letter was being written by Meena. Past perfect tense, Meena had written a letter. A letter had been written by Meena. This is passive voice. This is active voice. In future simple tense, Meena will write a letter. A letter will be written by Meena. Future be going to. Meena is going to write a letter. A letter is going to be written by Meena. Modal. Meena must write a letter. A letter must be written by Meena. Modal perfect. Meena should have written a letter. A letter should have been written by Meena. So this is a full chart of active voice and passive voice. I hope you will like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.